Hello everyone, welcome back to GSM Tips. Today we have to replace the rear camera on an iPhone 11. So first thing what you want to do is turn your phone off. Tools required: plastic opening tool, Phillips screwdriver, Y-shaped screwdriver, pentalobe for the bottom screws, and a pair of tweezers. So bottom screws, I also forgot to mention flat tool, suction cup, whatever you use to remove the screen. I just use blades or whatever I have. Phone's come back on. Okay, phone off again. So first thing what we want to do is just to remove the Y-shaped screws here, which is 5 pieces. Okay, I'm gonna remove the shield, disconnect the screen, disconnect the front camera, screen aside. Now we're gonna need the Phillips screwdriver, and we only have these 2 screws. It's a pretty easy job, just a straightforward job. Probably takes 5 minutes or less. Okay, now we're gonna have to remove the shield from the camera. Just go with a flat tool on the end of the camera and lift it up, and the camera is out. We're gonna fit the new camera. Make sure you heard the click when you connect the camera, otherwise you may have a loose connection or something and it's not gonna work. Okay, screen back in place. First thing, I'm gonna connect the front camera. But this time I forgot to fit this camera plate. So just pull the screen aside. For you, I recommend to remove the screen. Remove the screen again. I do have experience and I know how to handle it, but if you do it at home, or you may end up in trouble. You may end up breaking something. You don't want to do that. Okay. Two screws back in place for the camera shield. I'll double check the connection. That seems okay. Okay, screen shield back in place. The 5 Y-shaped screws back onto the screen shield. Screen back in place. What you want to do is you want to pop in the top bit first of all. Press it down, make sure it's aligned properly. Then go slowly, gently, and press in order to click it back in place. So now 2 things left: the bottom screws and a quick test. Okay, bottom screws back, turn the phone on. Okay, quick test. Camera seems to be okay. Perfect, job done. I underestimated this job. It took me just over 7 minutes, so you may take a bit longer. You don't want to damage anything on your phone. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.